Right guys, today I'm going to show you how to clean your battery terminals for your RC radio or any of the components. So as you can see, the terminals are slightly corroded, so the controller itself won't turn on. There's some green acid there, battery acid. What you need is the radio that you're cleaning, 2 cotton swabs, and some lemon and water mixture. That lemon is acid, so it reacts with the battery acid corrosion, which removes it. So what you want to do is flip your controller over, and you don't want to add too much. Just swipe it on the side and just rub on the corroded area. As you can see, that's already removing some of the corrosion. You will do that for all the terminals, whether they're corroded or not, just in case. Right, so if we just rub there, you can see that the corrosion's already starting to come off. And you do that for all terminals. And then there's a rusted terminal there, so you're gonna wanna get a dry one and just rub any dry corrosion off first. And then, as you can see, there's a lot of rust there, and this usually happens when you leave batteries in too long. They start to leak and leave acid behind, so when you do put batteries in, they no longer power the device. Right, then you turn it around and make sure you do this for every terminal. Right, and then take a dry one and rub off the lemon liquid. You can do this with baking soda as well. Baking soda tends to work a bit better, but I didn't have any on me today. And that should do it. Right, now if we add our batteries and flick our controller on, we can see that it's now powered on, and that's all you need to do, really. But for next time, you don't want to keep batteries in too long. Once they need changing, you want to change them straight away, otherwise you're gonna have the same problem. But yeah, that's all you need to do. Yeah, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the comments.